Hello YouTube fans, this is Puerto Rican Dude, 1982, and I'm with my flash cam, cause now I can convert videos. But before I knew that I could download a software, I bought this, so I have actually two camcorders and one digital camera that I can record some on. So this is kind of my semi-unboxing of the Panasonic, because as you can see I tore off some tape thing because it's going to be a little difficult for me to do with one camera, I was about to say. But anyway, this is the Panasonic H85 and here's the unboxing. I told you it's going to be a little difficult for me with one hand, but it opens like this stuff. Alright, we have the box opened, and as always, the Panasonic CD, which I will install. Next we have the instruction booklet, which I will read. Bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Alright, this is the camera itself. I'll take this out of the bubble wrap. This is the camera. Wow. You can't Mike, put it down. There you go. Alright, this is... Oh, and I am totally out of focus. This is my new Panasonic camera. Cost me... let's say it cost me over $400. I'm not going to give you the exact price, but we got the camera here. It's really great. 78 times zoom, 3 millimeters wide, 80 gigabytes of hard drive on it, and plus you can use an optional SD card, so I can use the SD card on this camera that I'm holding right now, this camera right here, and then use this camera cause I'll tell you a little something. I'll tell you a little something that I want to have planned. You know the Julie and Mike show, for those of you that are subscribed to me? Well, I want to do a web series show. It won't be, it won't be like Robot Ninja and Gay Guy. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll have a link to the guy's channel, which down here now. So what do you guys think of the new thumbs up and the thumbs down? Here we have the cords for it. Oh, and more cords. To plug it in. I definitely have to read it, because I didn't know it could be plugged in. And then we have another plug. I'm guessing that you charged this, but I'm not sure. I don't really have too many unboxing videos because I'm somewhat not good at it. And one more. I think this is the battery. I think this is the battery. So there you have it. Not your typical unboxing, but I just wanted to show you the quality of what my flash camera has now that I bought the converter. So tell me what you thought. I would like you, for those people that watch unboxings, and for those people that do unboxing, to tell me what I can do better, and what I'm lacking. So if you can tell me, that would be really appreciated. Okay, well, that was my unboxing, and I hope you liked it. Like I said before, please leave a comment below about, like, what you would like me to do differently on my next unboxing. I don't know when that will be. But anyway, stay tuned for more videos and to see when my secret iTunes giveaway is. It's not this video, just to let you know. So take care and be talking to you later. Alright, bye now.